Hi guys, so today I am doing a makeup tutorial on my niece. Who are you?
NYLA.
This is NYLA. She is, how old are you?
5.
She is 5 years old and she did my makeup for when she gave me an eye infection. So today we are doing your makeup.
But don't think about giving me one.
So today we are doing a little spin on things. We are doing a Boxycharm unboxing plus NYLA's makeup using the Boxycharm stuff that is in here. So this is the May Boxycharm box. So first we are just going to open it and we are going to show you what's inside. So first there's a little Boxycharm card, and it tells you everything you got in it. And then we have the lip gloss in Sweetheart. It's a matte lipstick and I'm really excited to try this out. This is just a P12 brush. It's a fluffy, I feel like this would be good for like blending out blush or baking powder. And everything we're using today, we're gonna use on Little Miss NYLA. Pretty vulgar eyeliner. This is just a cute little eyeliner. And we have makeup brushes from that same brand from the other brush. And so then I have the Color Effects blurring primer. This is just a Pure Sculptor, and they did a lot of collabs with Pure lately, which I love Pure. I love their mascara. It's amazing. Their fully charged mascara. And it has a highlight and bronzer. So this I'm just gonna put all right here where it is light. She's like loving this. I'm gonna do like a light coverage because obviously she's a little youngster. So and then we are gonna use this ColourPop Element of Surprise palette from the last Boxycharm box, the April Boxycharm box. So we on an Elizabeth Mott brush. This is my favorite brush. You know why it's my favorite brush? Is because it's taped, because it broke. Okay, so we are just going to dip into this color right here. We're going to take the Morphe M321 brush, just a little fluffier brush, and we're going to take this color right here on the other side. We're going to take this color and to make her look like she has bigger eyes, we're going to wing it out the eyeshadow. On the same brush, we're just going to take the other like orangey brown shade right here and just dip into that. So and then to give it a lot of definition, we're going to take the M149 brush and we're going to dip into this brown shimmery shade right here. And we're just going to turn this up. We're just going to go into the crease area. And then we are going to take the dark purpley shade. This is just a Morphe brush that I got from the Slay Eyes collection, the one in the gold. And I'm just going to blend the outer corners and then make it more seamless. We're going to use a little bit of glitter from the Urban Decay Cosmic eyeshadow. The little eyeshadows. And then we're going to just go do like a little tiny wing. We are going to use this brush. It's a very, very sharp pointy brush using the shade I use for my brows in the Wet n Wild palette. And so those are the eyebrows. This fluffy brush for blush. From my last Boxycharm box, we are gonna use the Pretty Vulgar brush.
Yeah, but I used it last time.
You used it on me last time.
Yeah.
Using this shade from the new contour palette from Pure. Okay, so and then for contour, we are going to be using the lightest brown shade, doing the contour. This has a lot of kick up, like, look. A lot. Here we are going to use another Boxycharm item. We're going to use the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And again, this is not my favorite mascara. To be honest with you, I use my Fully Charged, but on her, I don't want to waste it, so. We are just going to wipe up all the excess. All the stuff that fell on her eyes while we were doing her makeup. And then we aren't going to do bottom lashes because, again, she is 5 years old. So, ooh, little beauty guru. Okay, so it's the matte lip gloss from Boxycharm.
Again.
And it is matte, so it's going to dry, but this is how it looks. It's really pretty. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this makeup look I did on NYLA. Doing a kind of review on the Boxycharm Maybox. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like the fluffy brush? Me too. I like the fluffy brush.
If
you want to see more videos with NYLA?
But I'm opening this so I can do your eyeliner.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Now.
Give me that. Again, if you want to see more videos with my niece NYLA, please let me know. And what are they?
Subscribe down below.
And I hope you guys all enjoy. Bye guys.